Hey, Justin Lyman, Service Manager at Performance Lexus RiverCenter. Got a great new tool that helps you, the customer, with day-to-day when you do drop off your vehicle for service. This is a lifesaver for both us and yourself, of course. It's called iService. You bring in your vehicle for service like you always do. Nothing's changed. You'll provide us with your cell phone number to contact you. I now have the ability to put it into this platform here, where I will type in your number, and you will instantly get a text message. Let's see if it popped up on my phone, which it did, from us stating you're going to expect another text from us shortly, and this also provides you direct communication with your advisor. So if you're in a meeting, if you're on the bus in public, don't want to be on your cell phone for whatever reason, a quick text. You can text us for anything, status update, hey, can you check my brakes, I forgot about this, that, whatever. All right here, all right now. The advisor can respond to it right here on their computer. It's quick. Once that gets put into the system, your vehicle will get taken to the shop. You will then get a video from your technician from a separate number here. It's a 5-digit number with a little link of a video. This video is basically an inspection of your vehicle, which we'll play one. We're not going to hear everything.
Hello, thank you for coming into Lexus RiverCenter today. My name is Joe. I'm the technician working on your vehicle.
But this technician will run through, talk about your vehicle, what they found, what they like, what they didn't like, what they'd recommend. And then you can approve work right here, right now on your phone. So you could be in your meeting, listening, and approving work on your vehicle. Great tool, time saver, no more phone tag. It's a win-win for everybody. I hope you like it because we love it. Thanks.